So now I'll be taking up a question from Educational Codeforces around 118. The name of the question is Poison Dagger, and it was the C part. So in this question, Monocarp is playing a computer game in which he has to kill a dragon. His battle with the dragon lasts for 100 to per 500 seconds, which is approximately infinite time. What he does is he attacks the dragon with a poison dagger. Now, the effect of the dagger is such that it deals a damage of 1 for k consecutive seconds. Also, if the dragon is poisoned again with a dagger and the effect of the prior one does not end, it will get nullified and the new one gets applied. Okay, so let's suppose that if k is equals to 4 and the dragon is poisoned at 2 and 4, then the effect of the dagger which was touched at a second at 2 second will be only for 2 and for the second and third second, and the new one will be applied from the fourth second. Okay, so I'll take an example. Say I'll take this particular example itself. So we are given 2, 4 and 10, which is the times at which the dagger is touched, and the number of consecutive seconds for which the effect stays is 4. Okay, so the total damage that the dragon incurs is 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10, 11, 12, and 13. So it is a total of 10. Okay, so we are given the health of the dragon at the start of the game, and we need to find the minimum value of k such that the dragon gets killed after the before the game ends. Okay, so this is also a classic binary search problem. We'll binary search for k. In this case, if the format is something like this, which is false, 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 and then true. Okay, so we need to find the leftmost position of k which satisfies the condition, or the dragon gets killed for such a k. Okay, so we given test cases. We are given two values, n and h. Since h is large, we can take long. So left we can initialize with 0 and right with 118, while left is less than equals to right. We can find mid, which is L plus R minus L by 2 to prevent signed integer overflow. So now I'll make a checker function. It will take the total health. Also, we need to take the array as input. Okay, so I'll take the array which stores the times at which the attack is performed. Okay, so we'll pass the vector and the mid value and also the size of the vector. Now if the checker function returns true, then our answer will be updated with k, and we'll check in the left part. So right will become mid minus 1, else left will become mid plus 1, and we'll print answer. Okay, answer is not defined, so I'll define answer. So I'll write the checker function now. Which will take the health array size, the vector, and mid, which is our key. Okay. Okay, so we'll traverse through the array and we'll find the total health lost. Okay, so just I is equals to 1, I less than n and I plus plus. Now h minus equals to min of k comma a of I minus a of I minus 1. Okay, if h is less than 0, less than equals to 0, then we return true, else we'll reduce here k and then return h is less than equals to 0. Our vector is, we can make the vector a. Oh, one more error is there. So we can make the vector elements long type. Here answer will be mid. Okay, so it's working fine on the sample test cases. Now I'll submit the code and see if it works. Okay, so the code is accepted.